Hi friends, welcome to Trading Strategies. Today we'll see the weekly trend of the Nifty for the next week, that is from 9th September to 13th September. 9th September to 13th September, how we can trade the Nifty as per the volatility calculation. Now we'll calculate the weekly volatility and weekly range of the Nifty futures for the next week. For that, so I'm taking the weekly volatility from the NSE website. This is NSE website. This is the Nifty. Last traded price is 10,968 and the daily volatility is 1.02%. So with that, we will calculate the volatility for the week and also for the weekly range. So for that, I'm going to take the Excel sheet. So this is the last traded price of the Nifty futures. This is a Friday last trade, not the official closing price. This is the last traded price, 10,968. And the daily volatility is 1.02%. So that is this is the volatility, 0.102, right? And weekly volatility is the daily volatility into square root of 7 divided by square root of 365. So this is the formula. So calculating the weekly volatility. The weekly range is the closing price into weekly volatility is the weekly range. So what I am doing is this weekly range, I'm dividing this weekly range into Fibonacci ratios. The first ratio you all know, this is 236, 23.6%, and this is 38.2%, and this is 50%, and 61.8%, and this is 100%. This is the 100%. That is a one range. So from here, the upside is 154 and downside is also 154. Like that, the total range is 10,813 and 11,122. This is the weekly range for the Nifty futures for the next week. So how to trade this? So we'll plot these levels on the chart. If on a closing basis, if the Nifty closed above 11,027, we'll buy the Nifty future and keeping a stop loss below this level, right? And first target is 11,063. So in between 11,045. If price goes above 1145 and sustains, we will wait until 11,063 and 11,122. So according to these levels, we can trail the stop losses. On the downside, if Nifty trades and goes below 10,908, there is a downtrend started again. So the trend may go up to 10,813. So this way we'll see in the technical chart also how these levels are working. This is a Nifty chart. This is the daily chart. If you see the daily chart, this is the Nifty daily chart. So what I'll be doing, the demand and supply levels. This is one demand area. This is 10,829 and 10,785. In between there is a demand and the supply is this area. So if you see the supply, this is the supply area. This is 10,090 to 11,132. This is the supply area. So if you trim this, I'm changing this to 15 minutes chart. So right, so 11,100, 11,134. If you see in as per our volatility calculation, so what are the levels? So 11,027, this is the breakout level on the upside. So we'll draw a line. So 11,027. Okay, this is 11,027, one level, and the downside, if you see 10,908. So 10,908. Right, so these are the important levels to watch out. If the price on a daily closing basis closes above this, and if closes below this, if closes below this is a downtrend will continue, and if closes above, there will be a little uptrend. So if you enter the trade, where you have to take the profits, right? So as per the demand supply, this is the supply zone. So here, if you are a long, you can take out your profits in this zone. If you are in a short, you can, this is the demand area. So demand area. So this is the area you can take out your profits. So you'll see in the volatility also 11,122 and 10,813. 11,122. So this is the area, right? And 10,000. What is that figure? 10,813, right? 10,000. Yeah, it's same, 812 or 813 somewhere. So this way you can plot the levels and see the demand supply, and also see the Fibonacci levels and trade according to this. So here the clear trend, if it crosses above this, then you can trade, and like that if crosses below 10,908, you can sell. This is the weekly analysis. This is the Nifty futures weekly levels for the next week, that is this is the 9th September to 13th September. So once again you can note down the levels. These are the levels for the week. This is the breakout level 11,027, and the downside breakdown is 10,908. These are the key levels to watch out, and the high resistance at 11,123 and downside 10,813. This is the support. These two are the support and resistance for the week, and these are the breakout levels. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this to your friends. Thank you so much.